Hey, this looks pretty amazing.
How you doing?
Tell me what it is, and tell me about yourself too.
Well, I'm Toby Borland. I'm from Magic Box and Smart Lab in the University of East London, and this is a RepRap, a self-replicating rapid prototyping machine. It's part of an open hardware project. It was built by a community of people. It started off by Dr. Adrian Boyer at the University of Bath. Vic Oliver did loads of work. Zach Herken has done loads of work in it as well. But there's a whole bunch of people have been more or less contributing to it. So it's this continuously evolving design. Essentially, it builds replicas of itself. So all the fiddly parts, in these we've got them laser cut out of wood, but you can make all these parts from the plastic that it extrudes at the bottom there. So that's more or less the whole thing in a nutshell.
Wow, I mean, is this just a pure research project, or
Well,
has it got some endpoint to why have self-replicating machines?
Why have self-replicating machines? Well, I dragged this along today because it's a Reboot bitten thing, and there's a meeting back on the 25th. And what I noticed that one of the big points was they were saying, well, government and business should be in charge of a lot of these formats. And I thought, well, open format's very important if you want something to stay around for more than 10 years. And I thought, my own area of work is in open hardware, not just open software, but literally physical objects. What stops people from making them? How do you make them? What are the tools required to make them? Is there a similar open hardware community? This is an example of the community at work. And I guess I want to raise that question. It's does the open community come into Reboot Britain?